Hi, welcome to Lesson 14, Foundational Skills. Today we're talking about R-controlled vowels. What does that mean? It means they're controlled by the letter R. By itself, the letter R is a spelling for a consonant sound, but the sound can mix with certain vowel sounds or certain vowels to create unique vowel sounds. So if you saw O-R in a word, what would you say? Let's read the word down below. For. It sounds like or, and you can see the power bar is pretty large. So this is a pretty common spelling for this sound combination. How about A-R? If you saw this spelling in a word, what would you say? Read the word with me. Car. Car. So it sounds like R, kind of like a pirate, right? And look at the power bar. Very large power bar, which means this is a pretty common spelling of this sound. Let's read these words together. And notice the spelling O-R and A-R. Notice that they happen in different places in different words. Sometimes they're at the very beginning, sometimes they're in the middle of the word, and sometimes they're at the end of a word in a whole different syllable. So read with me. Order, or. Forget, or. Partly, are. Boring, or. Story, or. Radar, R. Orphan, or. Carnival, R. Scarlet, R. Oral, or. Barbecue, R. Starfish, R. Try reading these words again by yourself. When you're finished watching this video, boys and girls, you're going to go back and do a Flippity activity. The link will be in the folder, and you're going to sort them when we have the or in the first syllable of the word, as we did in orphan, or in the second syllable of the word, are in the first syllable of the word, and are in the second syllable of the word. Let me read the words for you. Barbecue, orphan, partly, inform, garlic, boring, radar, forget, depart. When we're finished with the video, you'll go back and do the Flippity. And you're going to send a screenshot of it to Mrs. Goshert. Next, we're going to continue with R-controlled vowels. And remember, the sound can mix with certain vowels to create unique vowel sounds like as in fern, western, perfect, interrupt. We will focus on two other spellings for the sound. IR and UR. Can you think of words with the sound? How about sister or number? How about nerve or other? Notice a lot of these words have the ER at the end of the word. How about IR? How about birthday? IR. How about thirsty? IR. How about circus? A lot of these words have the IR in the middle of the word. How about the UR sound? We have hurt. How about surface? Return. There we have one in the second syllable of the word. How about occur and survive? Can you think of any other words to add to these categories? You're going to now turn to your activity book. You're going to complete pages 14.2 and 14.3. The directions on 14.2 say, have students choose the best word to complete the sentence. After writing the word in the blank, have them circle either the OR or AR spelling. For example, number 1, the red blank went down the street fast. I think of all of those words, car is the best choice. So I'm going to write car in the line. And then it said circle the spelling. So I'm going to circle AR in that word. The words are arm, corn, shark, yarn, farmer, cart, car, thorn, torn. Boys and girls, it's okay to ask somebody to read a sentence to you if you're not sure of the words, but I want you to try really hard. And I'm just noticing down here in number 9, there's an IR word in that sentence. So you should be able to read that word no problem. Let's look at 14.3. It says write yes or no in the blank. Then circle either AR, ER, IR, or OR spelling. So number 1, can a dog chirp with joy? The answer to that question is no. And now I need to find the AR, ER, IR, or OR word in that sentence. It's the word chirp, and I am going to circle the IR in that word. That's what you're doing on these pages, boys and girls. You have these 2 pages to complete and the Flippity. Enjoy.